Hello guys, it is EA Info here. If you are not familiar with our channel, here we discuss technology and life hacks for the improvement of our lives. So, if you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of software development and explore the stages involved in the software development lifecycle, or SDLC. From planning to maintenance, each stage plays a crucial role in creating reliable and efficient software solutions. So, let's dive right in. Planning. The first stage of the SDLC is the planning phase. This is where the project requirements are gathered, analyzed, and documented. The development team works closely with the stakeholders to understand their needs and define the scope of the project. During this stage, the team identifies the goals, objectives, and deliverables of the software development project. Requirements gathering. Once the planning phase is complete, we move on to the second stage, which is requirements gathering. In this stage, the development team works closely with the stakeholders to gather detailed requirements for the software. This includes functional requirements, which define what the software should do, and non-functional requirements, which define how the software should perform. Design. With the requirements in hand, we move on to the third stage, which is design. This is where the software architecture and system design are created. The design phase ensures that the software is structured, scalable, and user-friendly. It involves creating high-level and low-level designs, defining the software components, and determining the data flow and user interfaces. Development. Now that we have a solid design, we move on to the development stage. This is where the actual coding of the software takes place. The development team follows the design specifications and uses programming languages and frameworks to build the software solution. This stage requires expertise in coding and adherence to coding best practices. Testing. Once the development is complete, we move on to the testing stage. Testing is a critical stage in the SDLC. It involves verifying that the software meets the specified requirements and ensuring its quality and reliability. The testing team performs various types of testing, such as unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. This stage helps identify and fix any bugs or issues before the software is deployed. Deployment. After the testing phase, we move on to the deployment stage. This is where the software is released and made available to the end users. The deployment process may involve installing the software on servers, configuring the system, and providing user training. It is important to ensure a smooth transition from development to deployment to minimize any disruptions. Maintenance. Finally, we reach the maintenance stage. Software is not a static entity. It requires regular maintenance to ensure its optimal performance. This includes fixing bugs, adding new features, and addressing any performance issues. Regular maintenance ensures that the software remains reliable and up to date. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring the successful development and maintenance of software applications. By following this systematic approach, developers can create robust, efficient, and user-friendly software solutions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.